Stenhousemuir yn chwarae I gêm cystadleuol gyntaf erioed yn erbyn clwb o du allan i'r Alban heddiw yma. Brobl at Curtis Byrne. Byrne yn rhyddhau Greg Draper. Cyfle cynnar i'r ymwelwyr. Draper ar ergyd yn wyllt ac yn bell dros y trawst gan y blaenwr profiadol. Redmond pas Letsos. Di gweld rhediad Brobl. Brobl yn rheoli'n hyfryd. O Graham Smith i'r adwy i'r tîm cartre. Oedd y bas yn berffaith gan Danny Redmond. Brobl yn rheoli'n wych ond yn methu gyrru'r bêl heibio i'r golwr. Y Seintiau sy'n bygwth yn y chwarter awr agoriadol. Y tîm Scotrysgo yn gyfforddus ar y cae artiffisial yma heddiw yma. Y bêl rydd yn disgyn Greg Draper. Sodliad hyfryd ac Aaron Edwards. Ar ergyd arbediad adweithiol o'r safon ucha gan Graham Smith. Edwards yn cydnabod hynny. Y flic ymlaen yn hyfryd gan Greg Draper ac Edwards mor agos i roi'r Seintiau y blaen. Y tîm cartre yn gweld dipyn mwy o'r bêl ar ddechrau'r ail hanner yma. Dyma Liam Scullion, cyfle I groesi. Harrington yn gwneud llanast o'r peniad. A Kieran Anderson yn rhoi Stenhousemuir ar y blaen. Ond rhyw 2 funud o'r ail hanner sydd wedi chwarae. Smonach yn y cefn gan Harrington. Y gŵr sydd wedi chwarae sawl gwaith yn erbyn Stenhousemuir y tymor dwytha. Ac Anderson yn ei chladdu hi. Adrian Sislovic wrth I fodd yn rhedeg tuag at yr amddiffyn. Dyma Aaron Edwards. Edwards yn troi nôl tuag at Brobl. Brobl allan at Byrne. Byrne ar cynnig. Mae'n syrthio nôl at Brobl. Oedd o methu addasu draed yn ddigon sydyn I gyfeirio'r bêl na tua'r gôl. Harrington at Ebi. Harrington sy'n gwneud yn iawn am I gam. Allan at Brobl. Brobl o sgiliau hyfryd yn twyllo'r amddiffynwr. Brobl ar ergyd isel am gôl gan Ryan Brobl. Dyna mae'r gŵr yma'n gallu I wneud. Traed twyllodrus yn curo I ddyn ac wedi 87 o funudau mae'r Seintiau'n gyfartal.
Doedd na ddim gwahanu'r tîma wedi 90 munud, ond roedd hi'n stori gyfarwydd i'r Seintiau. Graham Smith yn arbed cicio'r smotyn gan Whitehouse, Chislovic ac Ebi, cyn I David Hopkirk sgorio a gyrru'r Seintiau allan o'r gysadleuaeth ar gicio'r smotyn am yr ail dymor yn 0-0.
First half, although we didn't play very well, I thought that the chances we created, probably you can count 3 or 4, where we've probably got to score those goals. You know, on another day it's a different story.
Very difficult game, very good side, some real top quality players. We managed to hold them off, especially second half. I thought we'd done well. They're good players that were very good in the first half, didn't touch the ball much in the second half. That was something we worked on at half time. It was always going to be difficult, very unknown quantity. Obviously I knew a bit about them for my time at Shrewsbury, so I did know a wee bit about them. Played against them a couple of times at pre-season, but it was a bit of an unknown quantity for us. So we managed to do well, we got our game plan right, and then we managed to take a good goal at a time, and then we were just unlucky not to hold off at the end. But with our goalkeeper, we always knew we were going to be in a chance with penalties. He's very good, so I'm very happy.
I've placed this high on the priority. You know, this season, this cup has been placed in second out of the 4 competitions that we've entered. So, you know, that's why I'm a little bit disappointed, and for them as well, for the players. Although they've not shown up as much second half there, we've had a little bit of bad luck with the injury to Simon Spender. But I wanted to go for it. I wanted to change something so that we could put a bit of life back into our game. So, you know, I'm not. You know, I'll live and learn as a manager for making that change, but I'd probably do it again.
It's not a massive upset. They're a good team. They're full time. It doesn't mean that they're much better than us. I would actually say it shows them up a wee bit that they should have no came here and outpassed us and outplayed us and outfought us. We've actually done a really good job, and we're looking forward to the next round now.